Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is high mileage. This is a Starbucks going 9 miles, and it's leaving me somewhere I don't want to be. So add another 5 miles to that order. This is so dumb. I don't even know why I'm doing this one.
Hi, this is Jean from DoorDash. Thank you for answering my call. So first, I just want to congratulate you for being one of our Gold Dashers. Thank you for your hard work to manage your ratings, okay? I'm calling about your order from Starbucks. I just want to let you know, this is one of our priority customers, and we just want to ensure everything goes smoothly. So once you completed this order, you will get an extra $5 on top of the fee, okay?
I think I've had that phone call before, so this might be legit. It didn't sound like a scam. Nothing was asked of me. Maybe this order isn't half bad after all. It's still pretty bad, who am I kidding? But a little better. Okay, total for that one was $12 and change. You know, if I didn't have to drive all the way back, that actually would have been a decent order. And I still haven't received the extra $5 that they promised me, so, where's that at? Oh no, why are you trying to keep me up here, man? Next order up is a Black Rock coffee going 3 miles. I'm just trying to get back into my area. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. There you are. Have a good day. Yep, you too. Oh, yeah, that's a no tip. $2 and change. Gonna go ahead and pause the apps now because we need to get out of here. We are not doing this today. Made it back into my zone and still haven't gotten those $5. Also just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good one.
You too. Oh my goodness. That's another no tip. Total for that one was $4. Is this what we're doing today? Are we just gonna suffer? Average wait time is 1 to 4 minutes, by the way. Mind you, it's been about 15 minutes since that last order. Here we go. Finally got something. This is Angels going 2.5 miles. They just messaged me as I arrived saying, Yahoo! I needed that coffee today, with a thumbs up emoji. That's cute.
Come on in.
Morning.
Morning.
I tried to get you before you got down there, buddy.
No problem.
I appreciate you bringing that to me.
Sure.
I need that this
It's
morning.
really hot. Careful with
Yes,
that.
ma'am. Oh, yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Good day.
Total for that one was $7 and change. That was really good, actually. It took like no time at all. Still no extra $5, by the way. Oh, what is that? Customer added a $2 tip to the Angels order. Super generous. Thank you, thank you. And what is this? Oh, this one's pretty bad, but we're doing it anyways, because why not? Got a stack going to the same person. This is Gravity Coffee and Starbucks going about 8 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Total for that stack was, I think it's at $13 and change. Next up is a Burger King. This is $7 going about 2 miles.
Yep.
Thank you.
Picking up? Okay.
Yeah, I'll get that.
Free camera? Perfect. There you are. Yep. Have a good day. Next up, got a Seize the Bagel. This one is going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Me too. Hand to customer. Okay. Pin required. Okay. Hello. Needed a pin number from you. That's another no tip. Total for that was $3. Got this one right away. This is a Black Rock coffee going 2.5 miles. Total for that one was $5, and got this right away. This is a, what is this? This is an IHOP going 4 miles. Total for that one was $8. That was a good one. And got this right away. This is a McDonald's going just under 2 miles. Alright, turning off earn by time because this is just dumb. No tip on that. Total for that one was $3. Next up is a 7-Eleven. This one is $6 going less than a mile. Never mind, we are not doing that one. I just looked at it and it's 20 items. I'm not gonna wait that long because I know that's not ready. And now I'm just getting spammed by high mileage orders. Anyways, current time is 8:42. I don't know the current total or the total, so I'll just have to add it up when I get home. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.